Hi guys, good morning. So today my sister picked me up. Hi Ate Mami. Ay, galit siya. Ay, anyway, to drive niya tayo. Punta tayo sa saan tayo pupunta?
OC Fair.
Sa OC Fairgrounds. That's where we're gonna pick up our bibs. And syempre, I got this. Para kung may mga, sana nandun si Messi. No?
Yeah, his drinks are good.
Sige, we're gonna drive. We're gonna chika-chika. So, see you later. This is the finish line tomorrow.
Where do you want to get down? Got there with inspiration, but there was...
Here, we're gonna go get our bibs first. Dito, no? Yeah. In city. Go there.
Corals.
Thank you. We got our bibs.
Can't see my
We're gonna go to the expo.
CBD. Recommended this for local.
Look at this. What? 361 degrees.
I heard they're light.
So light. Whoa. Is that your phone?
Yes,
Oh, okay. I'm like, whoa. Okay. I know it's nice. And then, oh wow. Ate Mavis, this is so light. And then, pero, tingnan mo din to. Like, it's so, parang skin. Which one you want? Oh wow. So this
Here,
will
it's
be
like this one.
You gonna buy it?
No, it's $48. No way.
What do you guys think of this?
It's like my Hello Kitty.
Anong masasabi mo sa expo na to?
What?
Ang daming tao.
Yeah. It's okay. I like it. I like it.
Naka-claustrophobic ako.
Oh, cool. Cool. Okay.
Hi!
You signed up for membership?
I want to. I want to.
You can sign up using this code, the QR code and the code right here. Gets you $10 off.
Ah, okay. $10 off just for today?
It's for this weekend.
Weekend. Okay. Let's do that.
During COVID time.
Oh, how cute. This is like this is so
It opens from the top.
and then this is what we're getting this year. Yeah, this is
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Today is? I mean tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah. So this is what we're getting, right?
Is it on your bib?
Yay! We're getting this tomorrow.
They must have to stamp it. How are you?
Oh, beach city.
Huge.
It is huge. It's sharp. Ah, that's so cool. And we're getting this tomorrow.
This is cute.
Golden State Challenge.
So I guess all over California.
This is the route tomorrow. Bottle opener. Thank you. Yeah. Baka overwhelm ang dami. May ganyan pa oh. Anong kinalaman niya sa half marathon? Maybe for ano yan mga ultra.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Maybe that's why. And then pwede ka rin pang triathlon sa bundok. Wow, Mercedes! It's on my names! So, my sister is so smart. She's gonna buy parking for the event.
Then this one.
can make signs. OMG, 100-mile endurance. We tap so far. Gutom na kami. I'm waiting for my sister. She went to the restaurant. But yeah, this is very like cool. In comparison to Hapalua, this is much bigger. Like the expo, more vendors. Yeah. This is the biggest I think so far that I've been to. Yeah, this will be my fourth half. Hindi nagre-record. Ano ba to?
Go! It's recording.
Uy, wait. Oh, mag-half marathon kami bukas.
Carb load.
Tatalo niya ako, ha?
Carb load.
Oo.
No, tingnan nyo to. Ang daming tinapay. So, carb load. Yung carb load. Pati fat. Because we need fat. But look. So, it's basically 2 grilled cheese. Tapos nilagyan nila ng burger in the middle. Yum!
Yeah, binibili rin ako ng burger.
Yep.
Yum.
So good.
Ate Mavis, may tanong ako sa'yo. Ano strategy mo tomorrow for the half marathon?
Sleep good. Wake up early. It's gonna be out here early. Don't have our breakfast here. My coffee here.
No, during the half marathon, yung sa takbo.
Start easy.
Tapos?
And then maybe by mile 5 or 6 we open up and then just straight through.
Tanong mo rin ako, tanong mo. Dali. Dali na mo ako. Di ba ako tatanungin eh? Alam ko di ba tatanungin?
Camera pa.
Dali, itanong mo ako. I-video mo ako.
What? Here.
Come on. Dali, tatanungin mo ako.
Oh, okay. What's your strategy, Joe?
Make sure gisingin kita. Kasi susunduin mo ako. Yung driver namin. Yun yung strategy ko first and foremost.
Aha.
Tapos kakainin ko yung... Ano yan? Kakainin ko yung bagel, honey and butter ko. Hindi ako inom. Inom na ako sa ano. Sa race na ako inom. Parang hindi ako babanyo.
Wait, what are you gonna eat? What are you gonna eat?
Bagel, honey and butter. Tapos
Oh,
hindi ako
like
inom.
Sebastian. Honey and toast.
No, pero ayoko ng toast. Gusto ko bagel. Mas masarap ang bagel. Tapos, during the run, tanongin mo na kasi ako, di ba ako tinatanong?
I already asked you.
Ano, so during the run, sabi sa akin ni Coach Mike, hi Kuya Mike, sabi niya sa akin, easy run, first 3 miles. Tapos, 4 to 10, ano, yung training ko na pace. Tapos, last 3 miles, patayan na. Yun yung strategy. So, sana
That sounds like
siya.
him. That sounds like him.
Yun yung sabi niya sa akin. Ignorin ko daw yung watch ko.
Yeah.
Tapos, ano
Yeah.
na, lahat na, manalain ka na kung ano man yung mga kinakondisyon mo sa utak mo. Because now it's gonna be mind over the body.
Yep. That's
OMG.
race
So,
day.
Yeah. So, yun yung strategy ko dapat.
Oh no.
Yun lang.
Okay, cool. My burger is falling apart.
I-stopin mo naman. Ano ba itong...
My hand's
Okay
dirty.
lang.
Wait, go. What? Come
Okay
here.
na yun. It's okay. This? Masarap. Aray ko. You wanna try?
No.
Ganda yung... Ano, turo mo nga ulit. Yan na yung half.
You're running full. You go from here, you should go up straight up. All the way out for the beach area. See it?
Wow! Outside setup. The burger's good. So we got our bibs. Nabudol na rin po kami. Kape na siya. Congratulations runners. Sabi bukas. And then later they have 5K. Bye. See you tomorrow.